Finally, we are going to talk about functions that can return more than one value. A big idea here is that if you want to return more than one value, just put them in a collection, put them in a tuple, put them in a list, put them in a dictionary. All right. Here's one example: def func underscore 10, and it is going to accept a comma b. All right. And I'm going to just write something here: return ratios of a over b and b over a. All right. And let's see, we are going to say, temp is equal to, I'm not going to do all of the sanity check if a not is 0, if not b 0. So let's just write temp is equal to a over b comma b over a, right? And return temp. If I call func10 with 2 and 4, it is going to 2 and 5, that's fine, 2 and 5, it is going to return 0.4 and 2.5. This is one way. You don't have to put it in a list. You can put them in a tuple. It's the same thing. All right. You can put them in a dictionary. Here is hopefully the last example of these series of videos. Func underscore 11 at a and b is equal to, I'm going to first, okay, so let's define our return a dictionary of a and b ratios. All right, very good. And let's start with the temp is equal to, it's a dictionary, empty dictionary. All right, and I'm going to say temp at a over b is equal to a over b, and temp at b over a is equal to b over a, and return temp. Let's go to func underscore 11, and again pass. I'm going to pass same numbers 2.2 and 5 and see what we get. Now you have a dictionary. A over b is 0.4, b over a 2.5. All right. We are going to use this quite often in our homework, so please be comfortable with functions that accept more than one input, just like this one, and return more than one input. When you want to return more than one input, just put them in an appropriate collection type, such as a list or dictionary.